Wait. Say it. Hey.
Do it on me.
Hey,
Hey guys, what's up? This is Chris and
Joseph.
and
Jada.
and don't forget Miss Journey. We are here at Dollar General, everybody, here in San Antonio, and we're fixing to have a little fun with some Nerf guns. Stay tuned and watch us live. And we will now give the phone back to our wonderful photographer, Miss Jada J.
You can pause it till you get outside.
No problem. You might want to reload.
All the footage, Jada.
I am.
Oh.
Do some action.
You want to get in on this too, Journey? Where your Nerf gun?
I'll give you a
2 for 1.
No, can't have that.
Big bro looking out for you. Little bit of action for the camera.
Ow!
2 for 1. Pretty good. So y'all, next we're going to be doing some other fun stuff. Oh, next door.
So, pause it. We
Here
can
in
pause
San
it.
Antonio. No, Jada, we're not pausing it. We're live and everything's going. This is the key family.
So I'm gonna go to school after everybody's watched this video and being so
You're gonna
bad.
be popular. You're gonna be a Nerf kid.
I don't really do Nerf.
Well, I do. By the way, y'all, have you
Hello.
seen the new Nerf series for girls?
Yeah, they have girl Nerf guns, but not at stores yet.
I think somebody, a toddler told me only at McDonald's, you said? Okay.
Yeah.
So go to your
Yeah.
local McDonald's and make sure to get a girl's Nerf gun. Uh-oh, look right there. No, not the baby. I cannot believe he just did that. Now he is on, buddy. Oh, it didn't load it. Oh, it did load it. Ooh, busted by the cashier. Grab it on footage when she comes around. Alright. So, quit boy. So, we gotta pause the video because the cashier just said no Nerf guns allowed in Dollar Store.
Don't do that.
Don't do that in Dollar General.